The Weber Mountain is a favorite among barbecue enthusiasts, and accurate temperature monitoring is key to achieving mouth-watering results. Choosing the right thermometer can make the difference between overcooked, and perfectly smoked meat. In this guide, the TiferSync Gold Wireless Wi-Fi Meat Thermometer is a high-tech solution for Weber Smoky Mountain owners who value precision and convenience. With two slim probes, it delivers accurate readings without significantly disturbing your food. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to monitor your cooking from anywhere using your smartphone. This is perfect for long smoking sessions where you want freedom to move around. The probes are heat-resistant and deliver fast, reliable readings, while the intuitive app offers cooking presets, timers, and custom alerts. The rechargeable battery is a bonus, reducing the need for replacements. While it comes at a higher price point, the convenience, smart features, and accuracy make it an excellent investment for barbecue pros and home pitmasters alike.
List 2. The Weber 63029 temperature gauge is the ideal analog option for those who prefer the simplicity of a built-in dial thermometer. Designed specifically for the 22.5-inch Weber Smoky Mountain cooker, it fits perfectly and provides accurate temperature readings without the need for batteries or apps. The large dial face is easy to read even in bright sunlight, and the stainless steel build ensures durability in outdoor conditions. Installation is straightforward, making it a great replacement for worn-out or damaged original gauges. While it lacks the advanced features of digital thermometers, it's dependable, weather-resistant, and purpose-built for Weber users. If you want a no-fuss, always-ready temperature monitoring tool, this one's a classic.
List number 3. The Weber 63028 temperature gauge is another solid analog choice, compatible with select Weber Smoky Mountain models. It features a bold, easy-to-read dial and an accurate calibration for consistent results. Like the 63029, it's constructed from stainless steel for longevity and can withstand the rigors of high-heat smoking. Its clear temperature zones make it easy to determine when your smoker is in the ideal range for low and slow cooking or high-heat searing. This gauge is also a cost-effective way to replace or upgrade your smoker's built-in thermometer. While it doesn't offer the remote monitoring of digital options, its reliability and ease of installation make it a go-to for traditionalists. List number 4. The Galifire 3/4/16" barbecue temperature gauge is a versatile analog thermometer, suitable for Weber Smoky Mountain users looking for a large, easy-to-read dial. Its oversized face makes temperature checks effortless from a distance, and its wide temperature range is perfect for all kinds of grilling and smoking. Built from durable stainless steel with a waterproof lens, it's made to last in outdoor environments. The installation is simple, fitting standard mounting holes, and it's designed to be fog-resistant, ensuring clear readings even in humid conditions. While it's not a brand-specific Weber accessory, its compatibility and clarity make it a great budget-friendly upgrade. List number 5. The Impreza 2-pack thermometer and probe grommet is a must-have accessory for Weber Smoky Mountain owners who use digital probe thermometers. These silicone grommets allow probe insertion without drilling holes or pinching wires in the smoker lid. This helps maintain heat and smoke retention while protecting your thermometer cables from damage. The heat-resistant material ensures durability even in prolonged, high-temperature smoking. The fact that you get 2 grommets in the pack adds great value, especially for those using multiple probes. While this isn't a thermometer itself, it's an essential companion for any serious smoker who wants consistent readings without compromising their setup.